In this video, I'll show you how to return on Amazon after the return window has closed or return a non-returnable product. Now, this is going to be for very niche cases. This is going to be for people who have maybe received a broken item or something broke on the product that is as like some sort of guarantee or is advertised on the seller's website to be a certain way and just isn't. Things like that generally. And the only option, well, non-shady option, is to contact support. So what you're going to do is go to the top left where it says all, scroll all the way down till you see customer service, click on something else, click on I need more help. And in here you have two options, either chat or request a phone call. Whichever option you choose, what you need to do is just state your case, meaning explaining exactly what the issue is, that you know also that you are out of the return window or this product is non-refundable. If there's a possibility, can they contact the supplier and just let them know the situation? And possibly they will do exactly that and the supplier will insist on offering you a refund or offering you a new product. And that is really your only route, guys. Again, it is not a guarantee you are past the window or trying to return something that is literally non-refundable. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.